Hiring a lawyer, there's always going to be a cost, but when are those costs unreasonable? Well, it takes us to this case. The case that we're examining this week comes from Pennsylvania. A fellow there, a doctor, a medical doctor, Edward Zaloga, hired a law firm, Duane Morris, because he, the doctor, was upset with an inability to testify or make the statements he wanted to make at a zoning hearing in his local municipality. And he felt he was denied his First Amendment rights. He was really ticked off. So he hired the law firm to basically bring suit against the municipality. And the law firm estimated that getting this case through trial and post-trial motions that would be brought after trial, that the total cost would be basically $255,000, a substantial amount of money. Obviously, good Dr. Zaloga was very distressed. But the doctor said, that's fine, we'll go forward. Well, they went forward, and guess what? Before they even got to trial, the law firm had already billed $600,000. Well, the good doctor was really distressed with that, and he said, this is not at all what was supposed to be taking place. And so he changes lawyers, goes to another law firm, and interestingly enough, he wound up losing his case. And then he sued his first law firm, contending that they misrepresented as to how much this case was going to cost. Well, their reaction was this was only an estimate, it wasn't a guarantee, and when you get involved in litigation, you have all kinds of uncertainties, and therefore you don't know exactly where you're going to be going. Okay, we don't know what exactly is going to be the outcome of that case, at least at the time we're taping this, because it hasn't been decided yet. But what we learned from this case is something very important that I think everybody needs to be aware of. When you hire a law firm, there are various ways in which you can hire a law firm. In this case, Dr. Zaloga hired his firm on an hourly basis. He says, in the suit he brought against them later, that they did not keep him advised as to what was going on as the case moved forward. Number one, that's something you should always do with a law firm. If you're hiring a firm on an hourly basis, touch base with them. Require that they keep you informed. Now, sometimes a law case will move forward very, very, very slowly. But when there's a significant event or when a certain amount of money has been expended, you can ask that law firm advise you. Maybe you have a budget here of, let's say, $20,000 or $25,000 for going forward on a case. You can ask that law firm, when you get to $5,000 in billing, let me know, and then give me an additional updated estimate. When you get to $10,000, let me know, give me an updated estimate. And in so doing, there won't be any surprises. Additionally, there are various ways you can hire a law firm. Even when you hire an hourly law firm, you can enter into what's called a capitated agreement, meaning you go to the law firm, say, this is my case, this is what I want done. Will you handle this for an amount not to exceed a specific amount, such as $10,000, $25,000, whatever it may be. Interestingly enough, a lot of insurance companies hire law firms, and they hire them on this capitated arrangement, saying, we're going to send you all our litigated cases in the area in which you perform practices, but we are going to send them to you with the understanding that you're going to handle every one of those for a specific capitated amount. That amount might be $7,500, $10,000, whatever. The law firm that enters into that kind of agreement does so because they realize they're going to spend more than that on some cases in terms of time, effort, and energy, but on some cases they're going to spend less, and they hope overall it will average out. So a capitated fee is something you can approach a law firm requesting. And always, if you're looking to recover money, such as in an injury case, such as trying to get back some property, any kind of a case in which you actually are looking for money, a contract action in which you're looking for return of some money, you can always hire that law firm on a contingency fee basis, and I think most of us are aware of that, and that's a very simple arrangement whereby the law firm will only charge you when they, in fact, put money in your pocket, and they usually take a percentage of that amount that they collect for you. So what we learn here is a simple thing, that when it comes to hiring lawyers, there are a couple of approaches, a number of approaches which can be used, and simply handing somebody, for all intents and purposes, a blank check by saying, hey, this is my case, go forward, do what you can to make it happen, can sometimes result in a very significant surprise. Okay, we're bringing you this case, you're bringing cases every week, so you understand how the law works. I'm David Allen.